Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making a reliable bootable drive. Plug in an 8 GB plus USB and back up any files on it because formatting will erase them. Use the Media Creation tool or Rufus to write the Windows 10 ISO. Choose NTFS for files larger than 4 GB and UEFI plus GPT or BIOS plus MBR depending on target system. Once the tool finishes, check the drive contains setup, exe, and in //sources //install, wim or install. Now reboot the PC and boot from the USB. Use the firmware boot menu or change boot order in UEFI/BIOS. Once Windows setup runs, pick language and click Install now. If updating, choose Upgrade to keep apps and files. If clean installing, pick Custom and delete or format the Windows partition, then select it. Load storage or RAID drivers when setup cannot see the drive. While installation proceeds, keep power connected and avoid interrupting the copying and expanding phases to prevent corruption. After setup finishes, go through OOB. Create or sign into your account, set privacy choices, and connect to the network so Windows Update can download drivers and patches. Install vendor chipset and graphics drivers manually for stability, then run Windows Update until no critical updates remain. If the system won't boot, reinsert the USB, choose Repair your computer. Then try Startup Repair or use Command Prompt to run bootrec/fixmber and bootrec/rebuild. If drivers block installation, remove the device and reinstall appropriate signed drivers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.